Hello, welcome back to my video. So in this video, I would like to present you the research journal articles, and the title for research journal article today is Writing Developing Rubrics to Assess the Reading into Writing Skills, a Case Study. And for the research journal article, the researchers are three to conduct this study. The first author is Satana Chance. The second author is Chihiro Ino, and the third author is Linda Taylor. So we go next to the next slide. So this study have three research questions you can see here, and the first is, to what extent does analysis of actual test takers' performance help to refine the rubrics? The second research question is, what are the writer's perspective on using the rubrics? And the third research question is, to what extent can the rubrics reliable distinguish reading into writing performance at different levels? So after we know the research questions, we go next to the research purpose. So the purpose for this study is to develop a suite of 4 sets of level-specific analytic rubrics for the reading into writings and independent writing texts. So this research purpose is the authors want to develop a suite of 4 sets of level-specific analytic rubrics. So there are conducts rubrics for assessment, reading, and writings text. So we go next to the research approach and research design. So this research approach use a mixed methods, which is qualitative and quantitative. So they are called mixed methods. So what is the research design? So this research designs for this study is case study. And we go next to the data collections and how to author collect the data, and there are three kinds of data collections of these research journal articles. The first is questionnaires, and the second is expert panel judgments, and the C is use group interview. So after we know the data collections, we go next to the data analysis. So this study have four way to analyze the data. The first is the scripts collected in the mini pilot. So the scripts here is the scripts for group interview, just like in the data collections. It's the scripts so collected in the mini pilots. And the second is pilot 1 were analyzed manually by an independent writer and 3 members of the research team. So in the pilot 1, there are analysis by manually of 3 members of the research team. The third data analysis, the script were classified, and the fourth is use freely available textual analysis tool. So after the script is into the mini pilots, the scripts were classified and they are used freely available textual analysis tool. So what the results? So the results for this research study is the need to develop specific rubrics to address the unique features of the integrated reading into writing text types seems well established in the literature, but actual examples of such reading into writing rubrics are relatively rare. This paper reports an empirical mixed methods project to develop and validate a suite of level-specific and analytic reading into writing surveys. So then we know the results up and this reference, the last slide, chance as is 2015. So, thank you for listening and see you in the next video.